Hi guys, it's Patty. Welcome back. And today I'm here with you with a quick tutorial for a page marker for your traveler notebook. And this was an idea by Planner Chan, who has an Instagram account, and also she has a YouTube account with a tutorial. So check that out. And also there are several other tutorials if you want to search on YouTube. But again, a lot of people ask me, so I thought I'll show you real quick how I make my own page markers. And here are some examples. This was my latest one. This was a Christmas one. This I think was November, and this was January. So again, I switch my page markers every month, with my new setup, and they're really fun to make and they're super quick. So let me start by showing you exactly what we are gonna need, and then we can start the tutorial. Okay, so the most important things that you need is cardstock, and you want to get 2 coordinating patterns or something that looks good and matches your traveler notebook. I picked these 2 papers from the Planner Society January kit because that's going to be my setup for March, and I love this pattern together. I love the polka dot and a little pink, floral in the back. And these are gonna be cut in a 4x6, and because this is for my B6, so 4x6 is perfect. And if you have a different size of traveler notebook, I would just trim off basically from the size of your page, trim about 1/2 inch, from each side, and then you should be good. So this is for a B6 again. So you're gonna need cardstock, we're gonna need some stickers, we're gonna need some adhesive, we're gonna need scissors, we're gonna need some embellishments like these. The most important thing is clearly to have a laminator, because this is gonna be laminated, and I have mine running, so you can probably hear it going. And for laminating pouches, I'm using the 3mm from Scotch. These are the ones I buy them from Amazon. You can also buy them from Target, and I'm gonna be running these at the 3mm strength or power. Also, most important is to have a little pocket. I love to use pockets. You can also, there's also alternatives. You can just add another piece of cardstock here and just trim it off, but I prefer to use pockets. These are the Target dollar spot ones. And these come in 20, in a packs of 20. They're $3. They're usually in the dollar spot around when school starts. And they're a little small though, so they're not my favorite ones. So my favorite ones are from Lakeshore. You can buy them on Amazon. They're a little more pricey, but they're really sturdy. They're vinyl, and they're 5.5 by 4 inches. And what I like about these is that, first of all, they fit perfectly on my B6, page marker, but also they fit the larger size stickers. So I like to use these. So let's start by assembling our page marker. So what we want to do now is we want to glue together these 2 pieces to have a front and a back, and you don't really need to do it that well. I just use this tape runner, because we're gonna be making, we're gonna be laminating this, so it's gonna go through a laminator. So all we need to do is to just put it together like so, like that. And then I'm gonna be using for my topper this topper from the Planner Society. I think it was the January one. She includes these in her kit every so often, but you don't have to do that. If you don't have it, it's okay. You don't need to have a topper, but I like to use it. So like that. And I'm just gonna align it right here at the top. And now I'm gonna round my corners, and I have a corner rounder that I bought on Amazon, and it's by Kadomaru, and it's really good. Actually, I probably shouldn't actually I should have done that before, because it's not gonna round it, but have no fear, because this is a very, see, it's a temporary adhesive, so it's fine. So here we go. We're gonna round. Sorry about that noise, it's probably loud. Then we're gonna center it again like that. We're gonna line that up, and now we're ready to laminate. So we're gonna get a laminating pouch, and for the laminating pouch, there's really, it's fairly self-explanatory. You just wanna open it up, place your item, and for this one I kind of like to place it this way. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna make it go through the laminator, leave some room here from the edge. and this is gonna go through our laminator. And now this may take a couple of runs. I have not tried to laminate with the 5mm strength. Those are thicker. That may work, but again, we're gonna just make it go through, and once it goes through, we're gonna need to trim around the edge, leave a little bit of border around it, and once we are trimmed around the edge, I'll show you, we're gonna end up with this, because I made another one because nobody wants to spend a minute watching that laminate. But so this is basically the same thing. I just trimmed around it using my scissors, and now I'm just gonna have to decorate it. Now to decorate it, again, I'm using this page pocket, this pocket by Lakeshore, and I'm just gonna stick it right here on the top like that, press it down. Oh, and by the way, so just to show you, this is how the sheet is gonna look like. You're gonna trim around it. Now I'm gonna turn off the very loud laminator. And back here, so now I have my page marker, I have my little pocket. So now what I want to do is I want to decorate it, and I have picked this cute die cut from the Planner Society January kit, and I'm going to be using this super strong adhesive. This is actually an adhesive that there you go, it's called Score Tape. You can buy it on Amazon, and it's very, very strong. I think I read about it from Jennifer McGuire. So this one, once it goes on, the good thing is that it's not gonna come off, and it's gonna be very secure. Mind you, you can just use any kind of adhesive that you prefer. You can use a glue gun if you prefer. I kind of don't like glue guns so much, and I'm just gonna put it right here. Then I'm gonna start sticking my little stickers inside. I have stickers from the Planner Society January kit, just they're gonna be like that. Kind of like to have them in different patterns. So I'm just gonna put some here, just gonna put there. Now over here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this little bow, because I just love these bows. They're from Hobby Lobby, and they already come with a little bit of a, you know, sticky tape. But for the moment, because here we go, I'm just gonna put some tape here, and I'm gonna put it right there. And then the last thing that I'm gonna do is add some of these puffy stickers. They're from, these are old, these are from last year. They're from the Planner Society. I think it was her March edition, but I love this planner girl, and it's rose gold, and it goes so well with the Planner Society January kit, because it has you know, the rose gold as well. So here we go, and this is basically, you're already done. Now another thing you can add on, you can add a little paper clip here if you want to, like maybe hide the paper clip part, put it over here. And an additional thing that you can add on is actually having a little clip for your pen. And this is also something that came in the January kit. It's basically a kit which that you can use to make your own pen holders. All you need is, you have actually everything. This is elastic, it's pattern elastic to match the collection. These are just clips, and you're gonna need some E6000 glue. And all you do is put a little bit of glue here, attach your elastic, trim it to size, let it cure for 1 day, and then you're good. And so this is the final. I've had this sitting for a day, so I hope it fits. So you just want to clip that on, and then you put your pen through, and then you are set. Actually, I like this here better. And there we go. So now we have a page marker. Again, you don't need to do all this. You can make them as simple as you want, or as complicated as you want. And this is super cute, and it's gonna help you, you know, find your place in your planner. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I hope you like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you Friday with my next video and a winner announcement for my giveaway. Again, thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.